Okay, welcome back to the final video in this little series, and you've got your game up to the point where the dragon can get hit by the spears, it turns red and it falls out of the sky. Now, the sky is the limit for this game. As you can see here with my little version of this game, I've done a few other things with it. I've got fire, and I've got flying sheep. What is going on, you ask here? And I've got a little bar here, you see, which is an ammo count. Okay. I've changed the colour as well, as you can see, of this timer. Right, let's play the game. Let's have a look at what this version of the game does. You see, every time I breathe fire, I lose some life on that. Oh, look, here I can refuel now. If I can just catch the sheep. Oh, I died too. Oh, I died beforehand. But you can see you can adapt these games. You can make this as fun, as silly, as serious, as anything you want. But it's all possible here within this game. And then the beauty of this is if you want to take it even further, you can export any of these games. You see here. You can export it to Unity. Quite simply, just hitting the button here, it'll create a little Unity package that you download to your computer. And it's all good. I hope you've enjoyed this little video series, and this opens up the door to you with Ready Maker so you can start making some games of your own. I will follow this up with a few more video tuition sessions with different styles of games, just to give you a broader perspective on what these things can do and some more idea of the different controls within Ready Maker. Hope you have fun, hope you've enjoyed it, and see you soon.